Can we?
Can you go there?
Yeah, we can. So Telo and I are at the Menengai crater.
Whoa.
We've come for a tournament in Nakuru.
Ah.
And that's it. Have a look. Say hi to Akina Mom.
Hi, Mommy.
Yeah, that's us. We're in Nakuru. We finished our first round, 2024. Telo won, yes. I think the game started like D3, E5.
Not D3.
D3, yes.
By the way, yeah.
Yeah, D3. Then H4, D5. Yeah, but that's not what we're discussing today. We're looking at the crater. We've never seen it. So we wanted to see it.
I wish we'd even go to the crater itself.
Sorry?
I wish we'd enter this place then go to the crater.
Yeah, that's so dangerous.
Yep.
Stepping down, imagine you rolling down all the way to the bottom. I can even die. Oops, sorry, bad word.
Go. Even if it's not even if that was not ours.
That's a Menengai crater.
Oh, don't look at all that smoke.
Yeah. A lot of smoke.
And
there.
there's another one.
At the farthest end, maybe you can see the escarpment. Farthest end. Wacha hii yenye unaona karibu na yenye inaonekana huko mwisho kabisa.
Look at that one at the far end.
Wow. Do you know how a crater forms?
No.
Okay, so there's something called the way mountains sometimes form. At the center of the earth, there's a lot of hot material. I think it's called magma or something. Then it sort of comes to the surface in a volcanic eruption. You've ever seen a volcano?
Yeah, no.
But you've seen on TV, I showed you, where it blows out from the center of the earth.
Lava.
With lava, yes. So this is where it's like a pipe. This whole area, see the whole area where the volcano, where the crater is. Look, Telo, look. The edge of the mountain, like here, is the edge of the pipe. But the whole of this is like the pipe where the magma was flowing. The lava was coming out and spewing. So the lava came out. Then when it cooled down, it contracted. So this is a space. Like this is, if there's another volcanic eruption, the whole of this crater will come out with lava. It's a volcano. That's how it
This
happened.
place looks like it's like a volcano.
It was a volcano actually. This is how it happened. This is the center of that volcano, the center pipe where all the lava was coming out.
Here's where all the lava was coming out.
Where you see this whole area where it sunken a little bit.
Yeah.
That is all the pipe where the lava was coming out, all of it. And then this edge where we are standing, this is the edge of that pipe. It's like a big, massive, big circle. Very big, round, very big.
Volcano is very big. But even there's a lot those Is it like it looked like, is it the smoke that's over there that's making it look like this?
No, I don't know. But there, maybe is that geothermal? What is that? Ask. That's
And
someone
there's
that
another
steam.
one over there.
You can see those could be steam plants, I think.
What steam plants?
Steam. So the center of that is very hot. So the place is, the water underground is extremely hot. And that water has boiled. And then that boiled water has energy because you can use it to drive things. Like back in the day before you had electricity, there were steam engines.
Oh. Even before you were born? It means it was started a long time ago. Dad, did you ever come here before?
No, first time. Let's go.
Dad, I had so some necklaces. Can you get me one?
So what?
Necklaces somewhere.
Necklaces.
Yeah.
Are they
Even
giving?
there is
Are they
fine.
free?
No.
Oh, you have to pay for them.
Dad, that's it.
You have money for it?
Dad,
Yes, Telo, I'm listening to you. Talk to me, my daughter. What's up?
I just want one.
One what?
I just want one necklace.
Yeah, it's a good idea. Why don't
Fine,
you just...
Dad.
Ah.
You can get me
Look
that.
at that bird is flying so high yet it's like it's low. Can you see it?
Yeah. Dad, you can get me that for getting 100 in TRE. Huh? Will you? For 100 in TRE.
Because you got 100 in Sierra, I do what?
You get for me that.
Get for you what?
A necklace.
Fine, let's go check whether we can afford one. Go and ask the price, then you negotiate and make sure they give you a very good rate. Whatever they tell you, you're going to ask for half, okay? You're going to negotiate and get a very good rate for that. If they tell you it's
Yeah,
like
help
200,
me.
I'm not going to help you. You can do it yourself. So that's the task. I'll buy for you that if you negotiate successfully. So you're going to look at the necklace that you want to buy. You're going to ask the price, whatever price they're going to tell you. You're going to negotiate until you get a very good rate. All right?
Okay.
Courageously. It's good. This is going to be so much fun. Okay, go and look. Choose, ask for the price, negotiate. Then once you're done, you call me. All right, bye. Which one is it you're going to look at?
I'm going to go that side of the
No, it's okay. Yeah, that's fine. Go.
How much is one?
Mia. Just a hard way. Samio korte. Unataka gani? Hizi. Gani?
What? That's what you have in mind?
It's not nice. Then you can go somewhere else.
No, it's okay. It's decent. But why are you looking at her? It's not for young people like this.
But doesn't it look nice?
Yeah, so have you negotiated?
Can you please give for me half a price?
Give me 50 bob.
It's how much?
They say that you can get for half the price is 50 bob.
Half the price is 50 bob.
Yeah.
And what is the full price?
100.
Okay. So, fine. You can have it.
Yay.
Okay. Thank you. So how do you pay? Just send money? Thank you. Sorry. Konaka. Oh, sorry. I am taking a video the whole time. Is it okay if you're in the video? Thank you. Excellent. All right, Telo. Let's pay.